So first we go to home and then insert new slide. Here we have the new slide here, and then I go to insert again. Here insert pictures. If you have the picture in a folder, you can go picture from file, get a picture of the person you want to put here, or online picture. So if you do online picture here, online picture, then this will open, and then let's say I'm gonna have office, then I get like a picture that I like, so I pick this picture here. Okay, I can resize the picture, and as you see, there are times they give you design idea. Okay, so let's suppose I took this design idea, took this one, okay, whatever. See, there are design ideas. Okay, take this one. Then I want to add some words, so I do insert, go here, and then pick this one and say looking forward to our class today. Okay, then this is here. As you see, the color is not clear. I can do one of two things: either do fill, you see fill with white, and here it is, I can resize it. Okay, or I can do undo, and then change this color here of the font. I go to home and change the color. Okay, and then I can click here. So here I designed this. Okay, after designing it, I have two options. If you are on Mac, you go to file and then you do export. Okay, when you do export here, you go down here and change it to JPEG. If you do JPEG here and then you do export in Mac, it become a picture in your file. If you have Windows, you go to file and then save as, and when you do save as, the drop down menu JPEG, then it comes a picture.